light in Stuttgart, and it's one of my favorite happenings here in the city. It takes place in a big park up on a hill, and there's lots of food and drinks and live music, and there's a band in the background just playing cover songs just right now. And there will be a big fireworks happening later with music and a laser show and stuff. It's really nice, and I'm glad we can be here today. We have acquired ice cream. We found donkeys, and I think this one wants our ice cream. Or just scratches. Yes? Yes, please. Yes, I agree. Yeah, I know. There's a flamingo right in front of my nose, and I want to pet it, but my arms are too short. It's such a pretty flamingo, though. Look at it. Goth duck. Hello, goth duck. You're my new friend. Ooh, goth friend. 3 cheers era Gerald Wade duck. No. No. Be my friend. We found the perfect spot to sit. Problem is, the fireworks won't start for another 2 hours, but we have drinks, and we'll just talk and wait, and it'll be good. It'll be great. It's worth the seats, definitely. Look at my tiny friend.
So the world is very light and never shines so bright. We'll find a way to keep the cold night from breaking in over the walls into the wild side. We're burning up, we might as well be lovers on the stars. We might as well. Don't take my name. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him just because you care.